Welcome back, guys, to the channel. This is Mike the Investor here, and today I'm going to be giving you a quick overview and showing you guys how to transfer money from your bank account to your Robinhood brokerage account. All right, so first things first, where we are now, we're just basically in the stock portfolio section, as well as where you get your watch list and all that stuff as well. You go over to the search bar, which is like the magnifying glass icon. You have your browser bar at the top. You have your top movers that are doing big things here in the market. You have your popular collections, your different genres, different sectors, and things like that, as well as your recent news. Now, your recent news will most likely come up based off of what you have in your portfolio, also what you have in your watch list. All right, so we go over to the person icon, and there at the very top it'll give you your total value of your portfolio, and then underneath that in bold it says buying power, which basically is the amount of money you have to buy any type of stock. Okay, so right now you have your free stock option, your account summary, your transfer, your history, your settings, and then your help, and then your account information there. Okay, so what we're going to be doing is just basically talking about the transfer option here, and then show you guys how that works. And then what Robinhood has, they have what you call like instant deposit. So it takes about 5 to 7 days before it will clear your Robinhood brokerage account. So say, for example, you put in $100, it will automatically be available in your Robinhood account, but it probably will not come out of your bank account until 2 to 3 business days. But with that being said, it wouldn't clear your Robinhood instant debit credits until 5 to 7 business days. So it may be a little confusing there, but once you start using the app, or if you're already using the app, then you know exactly what I mean. But the limit is $1,000 that you can put in at one time. Okay, so we go over to the transfer button here, and then now you have your 3 options. You can transfer to your Robinhood, which is what we will be doing today. Transfer to your bank, so you can take money out of your Robinhood brokerage account and put it in your bank account. So if you're receiving dividends and stuff like that, you will be able to get that. All right, so also you have your scheduled automatic deposits that you can set up, as well as reoccurring, which is pretty cool as well, that Robinhood gives you that option. So today I'm just going to do a very small deposit and show you guys how it instantly comes available in your brokerage account. Okay, so now we're going to go over to transfer. I'm just going to put in a $25 deposit here, and then we are going to hit review. And then as you see at the bottom, it says the funds will be deducted from your bank account within the next several days. Okay, so it's going to be instantly available for you to use in your brokerage account as money, but it won't come out of your bank account until a few days, until it completely processes. Okay, and then it does vary on the time length depending on who you bank with as well. All right, so we go ahead and hit submit. Now you can see transfer initiated. We initiated your deposit of $25. It may take up to 5 days to be deducted from your account. Please make sure to maintain a balance of $25 in your bank account until the funds are deducted to avoid any issues. And they say that so you don't get any overages, because even though you may have put it in there, it doesn't hit your account until a few days, or it may take up to the full 5 days depending on who you bank with. So now once you hit continue, you will see these glitter things coming down in green, letting you know that it is available now. While your money is on its way, we'll give you early access to $25 so you can invest right away. And that's the instant debit credit that I was referring to. So it's coming out of your bank account, but it hasn't came out just yet because it has to process from the Robinhood brokerage platform, and then as well as with your bank account or your credit union or whoever you bank with. All right, so now once you hit done, as you can see, my buying power now moved from $5.25 to $30.25. All right, so I just wanted to show you guys it is that easy to take money from your bank account and put it over to your Robinhood account. And then I want to show you guys something real quick. Once I go into account summary here, it is going to give you the full value of my portfolio, as well as the cash that I have. So it will break that down into two different settings based on your stocks and your cash. And then also if you buy cryptocurrency, which will Robinhood gives you that ability to buy cryptocurrency, it will be in a third section underneath. Okay, so you see I have the stock. I also have my cash that I have available, where it also shows you the buying power, withdrawable cash, instant deposits, and then you'll have all of that there. Okay, so that's my cash, that's my instant deposits, and all of that good stuff. All right. But thanks again. Hopefully this helped you out. Once again, I am not a financial advisor. Please see a financial advisor before investing in the stock market or anything that you plan on investing in the future. Once again, this is Mike the Investor. If you like this video, hit that thumbs up button on the way out. If you disliked it, hit the thumbs down button on the way out, and I'll try to get better next time. And then please hit that subscribe button and hit that bell button as well, so you get notified as I update videos and put out more content. So hey, thanks again for stopping by, and I will see you guys next time.